Lisbon, the vibrant capital of Portugal, is a stunning mix of rich history, picturesque neighborhoods, and unforgettable architecture. From iconic landmarks to charming old trams, here's our countdown of 5 must-see attractions in this incredible city. Five, Praça do Comércio. One of the most famous and picturesque squares in Lisbon, Praça do Comércio is located right on the waterfront and surrounded by elegant 18th century buildings. Once the royal palace grounds, it now hosts lively cafes, restaurants, and shops. At its center stands a grand statue of King José I, while the iconic triumphal arch marks the entrance to Lisbon's bustling downtown streets. Four, Lisbon Oceanarium. Explore the underwater world at the Lisbon Oceanarium, the largest indoor aquarium in Europe. Located in the modern Parque das Nações district, this fascinating attraction features ecosystems from the Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, and Antarctic oceans. From sharks to jellyfish, penguins to sea otters, this is a deep dive into marine life you won't forget. Jerónimos Monastery. A masterpiece of Manueline architecture, Jerónimos Monastery is a symbol of Portugal's golden age of discovery. Located in the historic Belém district, its intricately carved stonework, grand arches, and peaceful cloisters make it one of Lisbon's most beautiful sights. Don't miss the tomb of legendary explorer Vasco da Gama, housed inside the monastery's church. Tram 28. All aboard! Tram 28 is not just a ride, it's a journey through time. This charming vintage tram winds its way through Lisbon's narrow streets, offering scenic views of neighborhoods like Alfama, Baixa, and Graça. Whether you're sightseeing or simply soaking in the local vibes, Tram 28 is a fun and nostalgic way to explore the city. 1. Belém Tower. Topping our list is the iconic Balem Tower, Lisbon's most recognizable landmark. Built in the 16th century, this fortress once guarded the entrance to the city's harbor during the Age of Discoveries. With its Moorish-style turrets and riverside views, it's a perfect blend of beauty and history. A visit here feels like stepping into a storybook.